Hello friends, I'm Naishek from blog2.com and welcome to another amazing video. In this video, we'll see the process of choosing the right and the perfect niche for your dropshipping website business. Now, choosing the right niche for your website is very crucial in dropshipping business. This is really important, and at the same time it is really difficult as well. Okay, so in this video we'll try to see how you can select a perfect niche for your website. So this is about some tips and tricks that can help you to select the right niche. Okay, so let's get started, and before proceeding further, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and also click on that bell icon so that you don't miss any future videos. With that being said, let's get started. So the first step is doing some initial research. Okay, so we can browse some really popular stores like Amazon, eBay and AliExpress, and we can see what are the products that are most popular in this week or in this month, what are the products that are selling a lot, and so on. So let me give you three different websites that you can go and you can see how your product, what product you can choose, and some ideas about your niche. So the first and the most important one is AliExpress. So what you can do, don't type in aliexpress.com, type in bestselling.aliexpress.com. so once you type in that, you will be redirected to this section. Now as you can see over here, we'll see top selling products over here, and this is the first one, the tempered glass for iPhone X. And as you can see, the price over here is not even $1 per bag. It is not per piece, it is per bag, and it has sold more than 70,000 in the last week. On just in 7 days it has sold 70,000. And you can see some many different products over here like this Xiaomi phone, these bracelets and so on, and these are really selling well. Like, you know, we have 28,000 per week and 25,000 sales per week and so on. Or if you have decided to go with a certain category, for example, if you have decided to go only with men category or kids category, baby category, health and beauty category, you can select the product, or you can see the product according to your category. For example, here we have health and beauty, so let's click on this category. Now if you see over here, you'll see the products which are most selling in this category, like I don't know, this girl stuff, all these things. Okay, I don't know all this, what these things are. This brush they do makeup with and all those things, so nail polish and so on. So you can sell these products. You can see that these products are really selling well. Okay, so these are the, so once you see these products, you get a better idea. Okay, fine, so I can sell this, I can get into this niche and so on. Okay, so you can get the idea from this website. You have different categories. This is kids and baby, you have these things, you know, you can see the price is very low and they are selling really well. So this is the first website that you can go to, bestselling.aliexpress.com. The second website that you can go to is amazon.com/bestsellers. Okay, now I am into baby section, so let's just go to bestseller section. Alright, so here we have, first we have toys and games, and you will see this is the number one thing under toys and games, this USB charger I guess, and we have some different games. Then we have electronics, and these are the different things that are selling most in this category. Camera, video games, whatever category you want to. Again, if you want to go to babies category, you can select from here the baby category, and here you can see these things are really selling well. For example, if you see over here, this is bottle brush and it is selling at $4, so you can select these things. If you're going into baby category, you can select these things like this baby banana, infant training toothbrush and so on. Now there are many different products. This will give you a very nice idea about what you can choose, what products you want to sell, and whether if you want to sell the baby category, whether there are many different products available or not. So that will give you a very good idea. Okay, so this was the second website. The third website is ebay.com/deals. So here you will see the top selling products, the top selling deals on eBay. Again, many different products over here. You can see the featured deals, you can see the trending deals that are going, you can see the category over here, the tech category, fashion category, home and garden, sports category and other categories. Okay, so let's click on this fashion category, and under fashion category, because fashion category is a very big category, so you can't just focus on one fashion category. That is a very big category. Dropshipping business is all about selecting a niche and going as narrow as possible. Okay, so under fashion you can go for watches. Okay, so you will see these different watches are really selling well, so you get a better idea about what kind of watches to sell and so on. Okay, so this was the initial research. This is going to be your first step, okay, to do some initial research. There are many more websites and many more places to go that you can search for, but these are the top 3 places that you can go and see what are the different products available. You'll get a better idea about your niche. Okay, now this was the first step, initial search. Now let's go to the next step. Now next step we have to see is whether this product is trending or not, whether people are looking for this product on internet or not. So the best place to see that is google.com/trends, or you can type in trends.com, trends.google.com. okay, when you do so, you'll be landed on this page. Now once you have selected some product from here, for example you have selected something from here, then you can see and search that product over here to see whether the product which you have selected is trending or not, whether people are looking for that product on the internet or not. For example, we can search for something like let's search for cat. Let's first search for cat. Okay, now as you can see, it is a very stable trend. Okay, we don't see any down, any high. Now this is for past 12 months. Now we can see past 5 years. So let's see. Now if you see past 5 years also, the trend is very, it's just stable. So what we can do, we can just change this thing and we can go into more narrow niche. So we can select like cat pajamas maybe. Let's select this one. Now as you can see, this is a better one. Okay, in 5 years you can see there is some hike over here. Okay, in this year we see some hike. So you can see the trends, whether these products are trending or not, and you can also see the category, the country which is interested in this product. Okay, so for suppose you're planning to sell all the cat products like cat pajamas, cat cap, and all those different cat hoodie and so on. So you can target this country. Here you see the number one country searching for these kind of thing is UK. So you can target UK. Okay, and you'll see some related topics over here like grumpy cat, shirt, clothing under cat. Okay, here we have related queries and so on. Just make sure whatever you're selecting, whatever product you have selected, you see a nice stable thing over here, stable trend or a upward trend. Don't select a product that is showing a downward trend. Okay, we don't want to do that. Okay, so the next step, the first step was initial research. First do some research and select a product, and the second step was this one. Whatever product you have selected in the first step, search for the trend, search whether that product is trending, whether the product is going upwards or it is going downwards, or it is a stable product. Okay, now let's move on to the third step. Now in the third step we have to see the competition. Of course, it is almost impossible to find a popular niche with a good trend but without competition. So before launching your dropshipping website store, it is strongly recommended that you search for similar web stores on the internet. If you find several popular websites offering the same products, especially with good prices, with competitive prices, you should probably think about finding another niche and product which are generally harder to find. Obviously, there is no point in creating another generic shoes, car parts or gardening stores. It is better to take a narrow niche and try to be creative. There are many different reasons or many different benefits you can say of going narrow, to select a narrow niche. The first is when you narrow your niche, you get a better understanding about what you're going to sell. Okay, the second thing is that it's easier to rank higher in search engines results for particular search items, because if your website is only about particular thing, like we have seen in the previous examples, cat necklace, cat pajamas, cat shirts, then it is very easy, or not very easy, but comparatively more easy for you to rank higher in search results. Then the third one is, due to your speciality, people will be ready to come to you again and again because you're the one in their mind. Okay, so because your website, your store is all surrounding this cat thing, whoever loves this cat thing, they will remember your website. Okay, so this website was good, it was selling all the products that I'm interested in, and they will remember your website for a long time. It is really helpful. The fourth thing is that it is always easier to focus on one audience and plan your marketing strategy. Okay, so you can it explains the point that you have a very limited audience and you can focus on them, and you can plan your marketing strategy accordingly. Now the fourth step is to see whether the product that you have selected is in stock or not, whether the product that you have selected has different varieties or not. Okay, because we don't want to end up selling only cat caps. Okay, a website selling only cat caps, that would be not a very good idea. We want to expand that a bit. Okay, so we suppose we have selected this cat or maybe some different thing like Sonic. People like Sonic, so Sonic caps, Sonic shirts, Sonic hoodies, and so on. So once you have selected that product, you can go to aliexpress.com, because that is the most famous dropshipping website. Okay, and by the way, if you want to learn how to create a dropshipping website step by step, you can see a link in the video description below. Click on that link. There is a 3 hours long video. Step by step you can create your own dropshipping website from scratch. Okay, so suppose you have selected some product category. What you can do, you can come to AliExpress and search for that. For example, let's search for cat, and if you see over here, the cat category has around 2 million results, which is a very good thing, which means that this thing has a lot of products. Okay, we have different cat styling, cat eyeglasses, cat toy, cat bed, cat t-shirt, and so on, cat ring, cat socks. So there is a lot of variety and lot of products available for this particular niche or this particular category. So this is another step to check the stock, to check the results, to check the different varieties and different products available. Now once you have checked the different stocks available, after that what we can do, we have to compare the price. Because see, whatever product you're going to sell, that product is probably it will be available on maybe Amazon and so on. So you have to see the price. If the product which you're importing from AliExpress is $10 and Amazon is also selling that product on $10, then why will anyone come to your website to purchase the same product for the same price? So that is not going to do. So what we have to do, we have to now the next step is to see the price difference. Okay, so first let's go to Amazon and let's search for something called cat necklace. Okay, now if you see over here, there are many cat necklaces available, and the price you can see $26, $24. Okay, and these things are also having decent ratings. So our product that you are going to search on AliExpress has to be at a lower price. So let's come over here, let's search for cat necklace again. Alright, so if you see over here, we have a better necklaces over here. Okay, and the price is also so much different. In fact, if you see this one, now this is the exact thing that we've searched over here. Okay, as you can see, this is the exact necklace. This is $26 and you're getting this thing on AliExpress for around $2. Okay, so this is a very good sign that okay fine, so you can sell this product easily for $10-20. Okay, because it is selling for $26 on Amazon, you can easily sell this for $15 on your website. So you're getting a very nice margin on this product. So the next step, in this step you have to select and you have to search for the pricing. The pricing of your product has to be very competitive with Amazon, because people don't want to go to Amazon and see okay, I'm getting the same product at a lower price, because at the end of the day people are seeing the price. Okay, so this is also a very crucial step. Now the last step is to see the keyword planner. So what you can do, you can open a new tab and type in keyword planner. Okay, go to Google, type in keyword planner. You will see this this link, adword.google.com. click on that link and let's start using keyword planner. Alright guys, now as you can see, this is how it will look, and obviously first it will ask you to create a website or to create an account on AdWords. So you can do that easily within few minutes. I have already done that. So if you go to this thing here, you'll see this go to link. Click on go to and search for keyword planner. Over here you'll see this keyword planner. Click on keyword planner. Now here you have to enter that keyword so that you can see what is the monthly search, what is the monthly number of people who are searching on Google for this product. For example, if you search for cat, obviously this is a very huge very common keyword, so it will have a lot. As you can see, it is around 1 million to 10 million people are monthly searching for cat kind of thing. And if you go in more detail, like let's select cat maybe necklace. Let's see, cat necklace. Let's go to get results. Okay, now as you can see, around 10,000 people are searching for this product, cat necklace, cat jewelry, cat pendant. Then you have different things over here. Okay, so this is the number of people. You can see the competition is quite high over here. You can see the bid over here, all these things. Okay, so basically here you have to see the number of people that are searching for your product, and that should be a decent amount of people. Okay, a decent amount of people should be looking for your product on Google. Okay, now obviously there is a better way to market your product. People are really earning good and they are getting a very better and positive results on Facebook marketing, Facebook strategic marketing. If I get a chance, I may create a video on how to, you know, run different Facebook ad campaigns and how to target people for your dropshipping business. If I get a time in the future, I'll try to create a video on that. Okay, but here you can see the the amount of people, monthly search, competition, and the price for this one. Okay guys, I think this is it for this video, and there could be many more tips and tricks, like don't try to sell products like glass and so on, because your product is ultimately getting imported from China, and you don't want any, you know, product like that will get you into problem. Okay, so product is getting imported from China to maybe India, UK, and that product, if it is a glass, thin glass, there are very high chances that it may get broken and so on. And also try to avoid products like knife and so on, because in custom you might see some problem. Okay, because if a knife is imported from China to some country, and if that country has some rules against that, then you could be in a problem. Okay, so avoid using these kind of product on your dropshipping business website. Okay, alright guys, so this is it for this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. I hope this tips and tricks help you guys to search your perfect niche. Okay, if you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up to this video. If you have any doubt, any questions, any comments, any queries, any suggestions for me, leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to click on that red subscribe button, and also click on that bell icon so that you don't miss any future videos. With that being said, thanks a lot for watching guys. See you soon.